How to transfer Spotify playlist to another account. First of all, launch open the Spotify app on your device. If you don't have this app, head over to Play Store or App Store to download this. Now log into your account. After that, tap on the Your Library option. Now scroll down and select your playlist. Once you've done that, tap on the three dots. Now find the option of Share. Tap on that. You will find different options to share. Go ahead and tap on the Copy Link option. Once you've copied the link, you want to now open up any web browser, then search for TuneMyMusic. Now head over to tunemymusic.com. Tap on Let's Start. Here select Spotify. Now tap on Agree. Then tap on this box and paste the link that you copied. Now tap on Load from URL. After that, all of the songs will be shown. Simply tap on Choose Destination. Now you simply want to select the destination from here. Now, if you want to transfer Spotify playlist to another Spotify account, simply tap on Add New Account over here. Then go ahead and enter the details about your account. Then you can simply transfer your playlist from there. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.